Authenticating your domain in System.io is essential for improving email deliverability and ensuring your messages reach recipients' inboxes. Follow these steps to authenticate your domain. Access System.io settings. Log into your System.io account. Click on your profile picture and select Settings. Navigate to the Email section. Initiate domain authentication. In the domain subsection, click on Click here to authenticate your domain and displays information in your email header, which will help improve your email delivery rates. Enter your domain name and click Save. Obtain DNS records. System.io will generate 3 CNAME records and a DMARC record. These records are necessary for domain authentication. Update your domain's DNS settings. Log into your domain registrar's account. Access the DNS management section for your domain. Add the provided CNAME records by entering the specified name and value for each. To enhance email security, create a TXT record for DMARC by setting the name to DMARC and the value as provided by System.io. Verify DNS propagation. DNS changes may take up to 48 hours to propagate. After propagation, return to System.io's email section to confirm the domain authentication status.